Silence, often seen as the absence of sound or speech, possesses several powerful qualities that can have a significant impact on people in a series or events or interactions. Here are five such qualities. Mystery and intrigue. Silence can create an aura of mystery, leaving others intrigued and curious about what might be going in the mind of the silenced individual. This curiosity can draw people in and make them more attentive to the series of events. Authority and confidence. Choosing to remain silent can project an image of confidence and authority. In a series, the person who stays composed and doesn't engage in every conversation or argument may appear more self assured and in the control of the situation. Control and thoughtfulness. Silence allows individuals to maintain control over their responses. It offers a moment for reflection, enabling people to gather their thoughts and respond in a deliberate and thoughtful manner, which can be particularly useful in complex or high pressure series of events. Emotional impact. Silence can be emotionally resonant in a situation where emotions are running high. The absence of words can create a pause that forces others to reflect on the gravity of moment, potentially leading to a deeper emotional connection or a shift in the series dynamics. Strategies communication. Silence can be a strategic form of communication by listening actively and allowing others to reveal their thoughts and intentions first. An individual can gain valuable insights into the series dynamics and make informed decisions about how to proceed.